Hello, everybody. I'm Justin, developer team here at buildbygrok.com, the Build by Grok VSCode Agent. Today, I want to do a quick video and show you how to get your API key and add some money to your XAPI account. Here, I'm in the dashboard at console.x.ai, and you can see I have some money on the account already. For you, just go ahead and add some money. Add like $5, super easy. I come down here to auto top up and I turn mine off, so I can manage the money better. I'll go ahead and pay with your card. Get your money. If it doesn't show up right away, hit the refresh button up here at the top. It'll refresh the page and you'll see your money there. When you're done with that, you can come over and just hit the create an API key. And right now we're gonna name it the let's see, we'll name it Build by Grok VS Code Agent. And we're gonna create an API key. And we're gonna copy this API key and then get started. And then we're gonna come over to the VS Code Agent. I have mine up right here. I was working on a little bio site in HTML. Had Grok create the images and everything. I was using the voice. Here, you just go to XAPI key. Click on that. Go up here. Paste your key in there. Hit the enter button. And that's it. And then you can go ahead and test out your key and say, hey buddies, you there? And then this is going to go through it. And since it's a coding agent, that's kind of a irrelevant question, but you can see he answered, yeah, I'm here. And then I can continue on to go ahead and mess around with my little bio site here. If you want, if you buy the software, you can register at buildbygrok.com, log in, check out the Builders Lab. There'll be videos and lessons in there in the Builders Lab, help you build more projects along the way. We'll have some Python projects and stuff coming. So do that. If you want to hit up some merch, the link will be down in the description. We have a Shopify account. You buy merch, you get into the Rocket Button Club. This Rocket Button is unique to us. We have a line of merch, the Rocket Button Club. You can go and check it out on our Shopify store. The link will be in the bottom. So thank you very much for all the support and have a great day.